We're here at the premiere of the new James Bond movie. It's appropriately titled Spectre. I have to say the event was quite a success. The turnout has been great, and I believe people have enjoyed themselves. Like the campaign says, open Bond's world, and with Heineken, you can always expect the best. But always remember to drink responsibly. Thank you.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came.
On this beat, had to go and get it in. Knock on your door, baby, come and let me in. I'm here to ride it out.
We had a great time. It was a great show. James did not disappoint. There was action, a bit of luck. He fell out of a building and landed on a couch. But actually, it was James Bond and this Daniel Craig in this encapsulated everything that Heineken stands for. And we're really glad that Heineken sponsored this event, sponsored this franchise. And I think tonight showed that there's many more to come. So thanks to Heineken, I had quite a few. It was great. I hope you guys had some fun too.
I'm not usually an action movie person, but I really enjoyed it. It keeps you on the edge right from the beginning. There's a lot of action, there's a lot of cliches, English humor. So I really enjoyed it. And of course, Bond is very much linked to Heineken. Bond because of his character, his personality. So definitely was a very good partnership between Heineken and James Bond, the movie.
Cheers. Spectre was spectacular. It's a second to none event in Kigali. First time, massive turn up. I've never seen such a premium venue full of premium people for such special movie, James Bond, Spectre, for the first time again in Kigali. I think more than 300 people did enjoy these special moments, and it has to be Heineken.
I think the James Bond movie was okay. Though Daniel Craig didn't give me that. Okay, there's the technology. I love the technology, and I think it's worth a shot. I think everybody who should check it out. James Bond Spectre is really a nice movie, and of course everything around it, the Heineken.
She's getting visions, these are unspeakable and personally